In this clip, we're going to be discussing software for kids. There are so many great software programs out there that you can buy at the store or download on the internet. The computer can be a great teaching tool. Not only are there games out there for kids, but there's also great software such as encyclopedias and dictionaries and great things that are educational and you can use to research and teach your kids. Once you've installed software on your computer, it ends up in the Start menu under All Programs. This can be overwhelming for children. So what we want to do is create a shortcut. We're going to go to Games and find a game we want, like Solitaire, and we're going to right click, and there's an option that says Create Shortcut. We're going to click on that. Okay, it has created the shortcut for us here. It says Solitaire 2. Now we're going to click on this and drag it over to the desktop, and it automatically creates a shortcut for us so our children can easily access this program.